Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video, I want to do things a little bit differently. The truth is, I felt a little bit lost with YouTube for a while now, and after some reflection, I feel like I'm feeling inspired again. So first thing to note is I want to bring more daylight back into my videos. I love the way it changes throughout this video and it really allows you to see my skin clearly. I feel like that's something I'd love to bring back into my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and even just the act of kind of moving all my lights. I know there will be some times when I do need them, but I've definitely missed using daylight and I find my space being much less cluttered. Just makes me feel inspired in itself. Like many people, I've felt the pressure to conform, to feel desired, and yet my word for this year was unapologetic, and I've been thinking about that a lot recently. I had quite a mean post on my Instagram that you guys were incredibly supportive about, and it was really nice to kind of shine light on this idea of critiquing our appearance and the entitlement of people expecting from us to change how we look when they think we should. So this video is almost a bit of like a love letter to beauty in general, to my beauty, to your beauty, and I just wanted to talk about, like I said, my journey with beauty and my approach to it. So less but better is a motto I work into all aspects of my life, but it also applies to my approach to beauty, and it's definitely something as I've got older and as I've been working longer as a makeup artist when it comes to my own beauty. I definitely find there's more focus on quality products and using less and enjoying what I already have, kind of coming back to the fun of shopping my stash and using up products and remembering why I fell in love with it in the first place. I definitely feel like I am drawn to minimalism at the moment, kind of minimalism with a touch of interest. So just some little element, something that's exciting to me, but it still feels clean. It still feels like the focus is on skin. And I know that's something that I want to share with you guys more on YouTube, the way I explore products. Again, often coming back to products that you will have seen time and time again, but maybe it's using them in different ways. Maybe it's the same product but used in a multi-purpose way, and just kind of making my products work harder. Like I said, I've really rediscovered the joy of shopping my stash and using things up. Hitting pan is a novel concept, especially when you're a makeup artist. But even the crossover into this idea of less but better has even kind of gone into my makeup kit as well as my pro artist kit. I feel like I know what I like and something has to be really good to take place of something else. I think for me, it's easier to get creative when I have less, and definitely kind of working with what I've already got. There is so much newness, and sometimes that really stifles my creativity. So I'd really like to use my platforms to explore new ways to use what I already have, get the most out of the makeup that I already use and love. And I'd also love to shine a light on great indie beauty brands. That's something that I feel very passionate about, especially in these times. And also looking at brands that are focusing on sustainability, whether it's their packaging or their ingredients, or just helping push people towards more education in that department. That's something I feel really strongly about. And also products or brands that, you know, are focusing on quality over quantity. So less SKUs on a shelf and more about products that work, products that deliver. And that also does mean I want to celebrate classic beauty heroes as well, not just kind of trending products or constant newness. Also looking at the products that are, to me, I consider hero beauty products. I'm really enjoying getting creative though with my channel again, and even doing this video was so much fun, trying new things, creating content that I feel reflects my own journey with beauty. I want to remind you guys it's okay to enjoy makeup. I see it as an act of self-care, self-expression, and me time. So I love makeup. I love no makeup days. I love glitter. There is room for both in my life. So I have lots of things in the pipeline. I've been planning out content for 2021 and I feel really motivated, really inspired and excited. I will also be continuing the series and makeup artist reviews, but I think rather than kind of always being brand focused, I would love to bring it back to categories of makeup. So for example, the top 5 bronzers that I know have really stood the test of time. And yes, that may include the odd new product, but it has to be better than something that already exists to make it into those final edits and those final cuts. cuts. And I just want to talk more about beauty in general and explore those ideas with you, bring you guys along for the ride. So if that sounds good, I would love you to subscribe. When it comes to beauty, I want to encourage you to have fun with it. There's no right way to do it. And when you find yourself comparing, feeling insecure, or dissecting your own beauty, I want you to pause for a second and remember, this is what my mom always tells me. It's better to be a first-rate version of yourself than a second-rate version of someone else. Stop apologizing for what you look like. Do you and have fun with it.